Welcome to Learning.com. I'm going to show you how to browse the great EasyTech material available on our site. When you're done with this tutorial, your students will be able to log in and see a clean, simple student interface with the interactive curriculum you set up for them. When you log in, you'll start on the teacher homepage. To see the material available with your account, click Curriculum. Let's go into EasyTech. To help you find the material you need, we created multiple EasyTech sequences to accomplish specific teaching goals. Technology fundamentals are covered in the main sequence here, and there's online safety materials, lessons that specifically cover the new Office tools, even NetsT PD with 85 hours of PD for teachers. The included PD is organized by NetsT Performance Indicator. There's a wealth of relevant, to-the-point PD here to help educators teach tech and 21st century skills. We've made it simple for you to use only the PD you really need. For now, let's go into the main sequence. Each skill area is presented in its own unit. Here, up above the units, we can filter by suggested grade level and switch to see Spanish language learning objects. Let's go into the unit on communicating online. We'll see a large number of learning objects in this unit, each one marked with an item type icon. These are in-class discussion led by the teacher. They start a unit by setting up the main topics and questions for the unit. Ls are interactive guided lessons that students complete on their own. Students can practice concepts and receive instant feedback as they progress. Js are journals that give students a writing prompt and a chance to give long-form responses. Teachers can grade and respond to student submissions online. Qs are quizzes to assess student mastery of key concepts. Quizzes are scored instantly and give the students feedback, along with reporting scores to your online gradebook. Gs are games that students can play as a class or individually to reinforce key skills. Most games appear in units for earlier grades. Let's go into the details for the cyberbullying lesson by clicking its name. You'll see details about the object, including class time needed and topics covered. There are also teacher notes with recommendations for classroom instruction, and there's standards information. The standards information page includes both national standards and alignments to Tennessee state standards by skill and performance indicator. In a little bit, I'll show you how to find items by the standards they align to. The best way to evaluate interactive content is to try it out yourself. To start any learning object, just click View. You can go through this object the same way a student does. After the animated demonstrations in each lesson, you'll be asked to perform the same task or demonstrate learning. There are review tips and encouragement if you make a mistake, and this is a great way to use any object on a smartboard or a projector. Let me select the correct items here. Okay, one more. I'll get instant positive feedback when I select the correct answer. Close the item with the X at the top right. Click the curriculum button at the top to go to the main. Here you can search by keyword in the search field at the top right, or click Find by Standard to find standards-aligned items. Just like in each object's detail page, you'll see both national and state standards here. For every standard available, you can drill down by grade level to skill all the way to individual performance indicator. Most of the results will be from EasyTech, but you'll also see objects that other teachers have created and shared. Shared objects are indicated with green icons, and you can use any learning object shared by another teacher in your class just like an EasyTech object. That's how you review content and begin using EasyTech with your students. If you have questions, we'd love to hear from you. And thanks.